What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Mario Kart 8 account. So let's get started. The first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and search for Mario Kart 8. Let's do that. Good, now click on the first thing that pops up. Okay, and at the top you have login / sign up. You're gonna click on it. And you have two options, sign in or create a Nintendo account. You guys have to click on create a Nintendo account. And they're gonna ask you, about your age, if you're up to 15 or 16 and older. I'm gonna choose 16 and older. And you can create your account if you already have a Facebook account, Twitter, I don't know, Apple, Google, you can sign in with those one. It's fine. But if you scroll down, you can log in with your email, and we're gonna do that. So the first thing that you guys need to do is fill in your nickname. So go ahead and do that. Then you guys need the email address. Good. Now you guys have to create a password. Now you guys have to confirm the password. Okay, now we're gonna fill in our birthday. Okay, now the day 13. And they're gonna ask you for your gender. You can choose not to answer. I'm gonna answer it because I'm fine with that. After you fill all this in, you have to check this box. I agree to the Nintendo account user agreement. After you click this, click continue. And they're gonna ask you if you want to receive emails and exclusive benefits or don't. I don't want to receive anything, so I'm gonna choose this option. After you choose whatever you want here, click confirm and register. And what they're gonna do, they're gonna send you a verification code on your email. All you guys have to do is fill the verification code in here, then click verified, and your account will be created. That's all you guys have to do. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.